nag-aayos lagi. Siya nag-aayos lagi ng aking mga gamit-gamit. Tapos magbabaon kami ng sikwa sa daan. Two shikan driving and 2 hours driving. So we have our baon. Yan. Naayusan niya ako ng baon ko. Yan. Kasama mamaya yung aking driver. So ito tayo. Nakaayos na rin yung gamit ko. And of course my uni is always my very helpful Korean sister. Always helpful ko. Siya nag-aayos lagi. Bait-bait niya. And of course, then siya, Uni is here. And my driver is coming na. Napagod ang aking driver. Ayun. Ganyan ang gawain nila. Help sila ng help sa akin. Yung gamit ko and everything. Yan, inaayos nila. Ayun, ganyan. So, itong bag ko na lang. Yung bag ko na lang ang aking dadalhin. Tapos alis na rin ako. Bait-bait talaga ni Uni talaga. Ay, Uni! Sheshe, kamsakamnida! Ayun, thank you! Bye-bye! Mali po! My Uni, of course, Uni is a manager also. Manager here in Korea. She have a very big business in Korea. Pero she is helping me every time. Yeah. She is so good-hearted. Ha? Uni, bye-bye! Anya daw. Anya. Uni, bye-bye. Yes, let's go. Uni house. Ayun. Tama. Ay, go. Yeah, and my staff is there. Let's go. Libian is inside. So, let's go. Punta na ako doon sa Muwan. Muwan tayo, guys. Ay, go. And here is it. Let's go and take some of our stuff. Hi, annyeonghaseyo. The driver of Luho and the manager of Luho bring me to the lilipat ako ng lugar na mag-vlog sa Muwan tayo. Pagkatapos ng Muwan, 2 days sa Muwan and 2 days sa Daegu.